I'm going to record a vocal track to this project. I have plugged my microphone into the input 3 of my audio interface. First, I have to create an input bus to use the mic input 3 within the Cubase. This is very similar to creating an output bus. I'm clicking on Studio at the menu bar and select Audio Connections. Go to the Input tab. I'm deleting the 2 buses which I created in a previous lesson. Then creating a new mono bus named Vocal. You can see the bus is created. This bus should carry the signal of my vocal mic. Therefore, I'm changing the device port to IN3. That's because we input the vocal mic to the input 3 of my audio interface. Then I'm closing the window. Right-click on the left zone and select Add Audio Track. You will get a box like this. You can select your audio input here. As you see, you can even select the input directly as input 3 here. If you select a hardware input directly, it will create an input bus automatically. Since we already created an input bus, I'm scrolling down and select the vocal bus at the bottom. Keep the configuration as mono, audio output as stereo out, and give a suitable name. Finally, click on Add Track. Let's see how to record. As usual, I'm keeping my metronome on and enable recording of the track. Then hit the record button to record my vocals. As you see, I'm keeping the monitor button of the track switched off during the recording. That's because I'm using the direct monitoring technique to monitor my voice. Therefore, my audio interface was controlling the monitoring process. If you're monitoring the DAW output, you have to keep it turned on. We have discussed about this in detail in our audio engineering key concepts lessons.